Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people, is happening. Confusion in Edo Election Tribunal as Governor Monday Okpebholo's first witness admits to overvoting, causing a serious stir and a row in the House. This is where PDP cases hangs on and really lies on. PDP says there was overvoting, which gave, Okpebholo the advantage of being declared the winner. That the elections, it was not the ones that voted. It was not the result that was called. That something else, totally, completely happened, and that's the main case. That's the main case currently on ground. Okpebholo called the witness, and guess what? The person that they called upon to come and deceive, to come and, is it deceive people now, or admit to the fact that, this is, this would have been done. That very person, guess what? That very person went ahead and admitted in court that there was overvoting. So everybody shocked. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Confusion in Edo Election Tribunal as Governor Okpebholo's first witness admitted to overvoting in court, causing serious stir. The Governorship Election Petition Tribunal in Edo State witnessed a dramatic turn on Monday, February the 10th, as Governor Monday Okpebholo's legal team abruptly closed their case after their first witness admitted to overvoting in Ovie Southwest local government area, causing a serious trouble. The witness, Usman Magic, 31-year-old, from Use in Ovie Southwest local government area, was called by Okpebholo's lawyers to testify in defense of the election results. However, under cross-examination, he confirmed that overvoting has occurred in his polling units. When presented with polling unit results, the exhibit PBA40, the official result sheet, the following exchange took place. Cancel. That's your PC results. You signed it. Mayeki said yes. Cancel. Was there overvoting? Mayeki said yes. There was overvoting. The admission made under oath immediately caused an uproar in court. Ovie Southwest is the home of the local government deputy governor, Dennis Idahosa. Overvoting where the numbers of votes were cast excessively. The numbers of accredited voters is a violation of the Electoral Act 2022. Everyone was shocked. Following the testimony, legal representation of Okpebholo unexpectedly declined to call additional witness, despite previously indicating they would do so. Instead, they closed their case. APC Council requested an adjournment, stating they needed time to assess their weaknesses before bringing them to the stand. The tribunal subsequently adjourned proceedings to Wednesday, February the 12th, to allow respondents to reevaluate their case. Speaking to journalists outside the courtroom, Ifeanyi Isiobo, a chieftain of the People Democratic Party, applauded Senator Monday Okpebholo's witness for his honesty, stating that his testimony has further exposed flaws in the electoral process. I must commend the witness for refusing to lie under oath. He could have tried to cover it up, but instead he told the truth. There was overvoting on Ovie Southwest. That is direct confirmation that the election was flawed. He has gone against the electoral law, and this is a crime. He further criticized Senator Monday's decision to close case prematurely, saying, with Senator Monday closing his case after just one witness, just like INEC before him, it is clear that there is no defense to be holding on. If they had any credible argument, they would have brought it forward. Instead, they chose to be silent. We have won. So this is what is happening today. PDP have declared that they have won the case. But I think it's still premature. You have to wait patiently for the court to do that, to declare that. The Ighodalo's witness shocked everybody. Somebody that was called in to come and, give a witness, to say to it that to the fact that they won, the person came and was saying indeed there was overvoting. So every single person was actually shocked, wondering what is going on. Well, this is what is happening. The case is now being looked upon, and everyone is waiting patiently to see where the next line of actions will be, because we cannot continue with business as usual then expect a different result. There are lots of things going on, and every single individual is watching. The truth of it is we know exactly what is going on here, and we're waiting for INEC to go ahead and to be able to, ascertain who won the election with all the evidences they are getting so far. So there is a lot being involved, and everyone wants to make sure that at the end of the day, the truth will be manifested. So my people, these are part of the things that are going on. These are part of the things that are happening. And in case you are not aware, you'll be shocked to find out that at the end of the day, Nigeria, we will get the results, because all eyes on Edo State. Everyone is watching, waiting patiently to see what the next lines of actions will be. We cannot continue with business as usual, then expect a different result. Edo State is in the news, it's critical. Everyone is watching patiently, and at the end of the day, we will understand who has really won and who was lying, where the lines have been and what's going on. Well, my lovelies, it is what it is. We cannot continue to lie to ourselves, pretend that we are not aware. Okay, what happened in court today was it was shocking, because you are expecting that the person they would have brought in as a witness will want to defend, whoever brought them in as witness. However, the person chose to tell the truth. You see, the person chose to tell the truth. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.